Come.
Right. We welcome you all to the prize presentation ceremony of the PGTI Feeder Tour event, Forest Hills Golf Resort. This being the third event of the PGTI Feeder Tour season 2013. The PGTI made its debut at Forest Hills this week, and we had 72 professionals playing the event. The cut went at 12 over par. 39 professionals made the cut. I'd now like to call upon Mr. G.S. Sethi, Captain, Forest Hills Golf Resort, and Mr. Uttam Singh Mandi, Director, PGTI, to present the prizes to the winner and the runner-up. But before that, I would request Mr. Mandi to say a few words.
Thanks, Nikhil. Well, I think firstly I'd like to congratulate Arjun for a fantastic win. Though of course, after 9 holes, the story was something else, and it's been a seesaw right through. And I'm sure, there's a lot of burden off your shoulders because there's a sigh of relief after making the putt on the 18th hole. Congratulations, and I think most of you know he's leading the order of merit. He's, I think, almost, if I'm not mistaken, a little over 50,000 above Honey, who's lying second. After 3 events, 2 more to go. Wish you all the very best, and well done, Honey. On behalf of Professional Golf Tour of India, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Forest Hills Golf Resort for playing host this week, allowing us this lovely, beautiful, scenic, picturesque golf course to play on. On a personal account, I'd like to thank Simran, who is the captain of the club, for giving us the best facilities here and making us feel very welcome and at home. I came and met him some time back, and to just give you a little brief, the story started long back when he had offered, and ever since then it was always in the back of my mind. And I did come and make a visit and saw this golf course. There was a golf course that I saw then and the golf course that you see now and you play on. There's a huge difference, and I think that's all the effort that he has put in along with his team. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Negi, if he is around. Thank you for all your efforts. I guess he did a marvelous job. Thank you, Mr. Negi, for all your efforts in giving us the golf course in the best possible shape that I think most of the players enjoyed it. No trouble from Arjun at all. So, and I think we look forward to coming back again. And for all the players, wish you all the very best for Lucknow. And see you all. Thank you once again, gentlemen.
Well, I'd now like to request Mr. G.S. Sethi, Captain, Forest Hills Golf Country Club, to say a few words.
Well, on behalf of Forest Hills and WWICS Group, I would like to thank Mr. Uttam Singh Mandi, Mr. Sampachari, and the rest of his team of PGTI for hosting, for coming on board and actually having their event here. It's been an absolute pleasure to host them and see how a professional tour is run. It's been a while since we last had an event here. And Arjun, it's been an absolute pleasure watching you play to, produce really good scores on our golf course. And I also thank Mr. Honey for a great performance, a great fight. And that being said, we look forward to hosting you again. It's been an absolute treat watching you guys play. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. Thanks. I now request Mr. G.S. Sethi to give away the prize to the runner-up, Honey Basoya, who has scores of 71, 68 and 70 for a total of 109. He gets a prize money check of rupees 64,000 to 90. I now request Mr. Uttam Singh Mandi to give away the prize to the winning professional, Arjun Singh Chaudhary. Jointly give away the prize, Mr. Mandi and Mr. Sethi to jointly give away the prize to the winning professional, Arjun Singh Chaudhary, who had scores of 65, 71, 71. For a total of 300, 207.
Sir, please hold the check.
He takes away a check of rupees 76,000 to 90.
Sir, please. Sir, look at the camera, everybody.
Well done, buddy.
Arjun, second title of the year. You've taken a big lead in the order of merit, and you have the maximum number of titles on the feeder tour now, jointly with Maniram Sharma, 3 titles. So, what would you like to say on this win today?
Well, it was a grind. I started out badly. Honey played brilliant golf, and by the end of it, after 9 holes, I was 2 shots behind Honey, and so I just stuck to my game plan. I just told myself to hit enough greens and give myself chances. Course was excellent. It's a very good layout, and all the credit goes to Mr. Sethi. And with a bit more work with the greens, I'm sure we can have a great event here next year. And I hope to come back, and thanks for everything. Thank you.
Thanks, Arjun. We would now like to thank the Forest Hills Golf Resort, members of the club, Mr. G.S. Sethi, of course, for all his support and assistance, Mr. Negi and his maintenance team for giving such a great course, all the players, Rolex, Callaway, and all officials. And there's a special mention for Mr. Rahul Singh Pathania, the rookie who makes his debut on the PGTI this year. He made a hole-in-one on the 8th during round 2. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We conclude this presentation ceremony.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
One more.
Thank you very much.